McDonald's is closing all 850 stores in Russia. I saw this report and I saw the statement, I think it was from the CEO of McDonald's, talking about how they really value their employees in Russia and they're going to keep paying them even though they're closing the stores.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
It's pretty wild.
Whoa.
Because that's a lot of employees, right? 850 stores and a lot of part-time, so it's a lot of employees. And I think, I haven't heard of other companies mentioning that when they pulled out.
62,000 employees.
It's crazy.
Wow. Yeah, no, I haven't heard any other company do something like that.
Maybe they are. We shouldn't say that they're not. Maybe other companies are doing the same thing, but McDonald's happened to mention it. Speaking of other companies, actually scroll up a little bit there, Will. So here's how it breaks down in Russia right now. You have the 850 McDonald's closed down. Let's see here. Okay, unlike other big fast food brands in Russia that are owned by franchisees, including KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks, and Burger King, which is interesting because a lot of Starbucks elsewhere in the world are not franchisees. They're corporate owned. But I guess in Russia, they're franchisees. McDonald's, on the other hand, which is almost all franchisee owned here, 84% of their locations in Russia were corporate owned. That's kind of interesting, isn't it?
A little flip.
So KFC and Pizza Hut on Monday, they're not closing, but they said they're donating the profits from their 1,050 restaurants in Russia to humanitarian efforts. So it's a different approach. They say, okay, we donate. We don't close. We keep selling the pizza. We keep selling the chicken. That's what they say. They whisper when they say it. But we then do the humanitarian. Burger King said it is redirecting the profits from its 800 Russian stores to relief efforts, donating $2 million in food vouchers to Ukrainian refugees. And Starbucks goes with the donation as well. Profits from its 130 Russian stores go to the humanitarian efforts. Also, McDonald's said Tuesday it had donated more than $5 million to its employee assistance fund for relief efforts. McDonald's first opened in Moscow in 1990, and it was hailed as a sign of the thawing of the Cold War. And here we are, 2022, and things got chilly again, Mo. Things got chilly again.
Yeah.
So no McDonald's. And I know you were asking, you were like, hey, I wonder what the McDonald's menu looks like.
In Russia.
And I feel like Will can find this for us because we need to know what Russia's missing out on now that 850 stores will be closing. We need to know that because McDonald's they do the regional menu.
Yeah.
And have you ever experienced the regional menu?
Yeah, in Pakistan.
What did you get?
Well, I had some of their chicken burgers.
Yeah, it's all chicken.
But I was noticing they had no they had none of the pork options. No bacon.
No.
None of those.
No. Well, in India, where I went to McDonald's, Ryan ended up buying a paneer. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's like a cheese, sort of, but it's like a thicker, more dense. Maybe Will's going to find it here. Or he's still looking for, I don't know. He's clicking around.
Very small.
It's all right. It's okay, Will. We need to shift to paneer McDonald's, India. We've moved on here. Yeah. Spicy paneer burger. It's kind of like a cheese. I don't know. But he had no clue. And someone had recommended it to him.
It looks kind of good.
Someone had made a recommendation because there's all kinds of vegetarian options in India.
Yeah.
And he was not happy with this burger.
Oh, Ryan didn't like them.
Shout out Ryan. Shout out Ryan. He's coming in like May. We'll get him on the show.
Oh, amazing.
I don't know. I know you don't like to give up your chair.
Oh, no, for Ryan? Come on.
I know that this becomes a thing, like it becomes an issue behind the scenes.
Ryan, this chair's yours anytime
I know
you
in front of the camera, there's like the one thing that you'll say, but then behind the scenes,
I'm like, who's this Ryan guy? Come in here.
So I try to balance the thing out, and I try to, just make sure everything's happening smoothly.
Right.
So don't worry. To those of you watching this, we will make sure that there's an agreement. A satisfactory agreement between Mo and Ryan when this actually does happen. But he was not a fan of the paneer burger. I had chicken. It was spicy. And I didn't mind. So, and now the spicy chicken is all the rage
Yeah,
everywhere.
it's everywhere.
Everything is spicy chicken everywhere you go.
Yeah, just to end this off, I don't know. It doesn't say in this article, but I thought this quote was really dramatic. McDonald's says, "Behave, and maybe you can get your Happy Meal
Is
back."
that really a quote?
Whoa.
Is that really a quote?
It's in quotes,
I know that
but
total,
I couldn't find it.
I
Here.
know this website said it. Total Frat Move is the website that it was on.
Well,
So
yeah,
I'm not
I couldn't find
sure.
the quote.
I'm not. Oh, it's not in the article
It's
anywhere?
not in there,
Oh, okay.
no.
So they just made it up.
They're maybe paraphrasing.
Yeah, which is okay, but yeah, just a little entertainment, I guess.